Wanna know if you can open all snaps at once on Snapchat? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can open or if you can open or if you can't open all snaps at once on Snapchat. Now, if you open up Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. Now simply head into your chats by tapping on the chat icon and you'll be able to see all your chats and all your snaps and you can open them and view them. Now, however, there is no particular way to view all snaps at once. There is no any option that you can view all snaps at once, and there is no any other way around that you can view all the snaps at once. What you will need to do is tap on the snap and open it and watch it one by one. So you can just open up a snap. If you wanna skip a snap, you can just open a snap and simply tap on it quickly and you'll be able to skip it, but you won't be able to view and open all snaps at once on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.